Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your Mitsubishi Eclipse Cross. Performing regular oil changes is crucial for engine longevity and performance. Before you begin, make sure you have all your tools ready, including a 17mm wrench for the drain plug, an oil filter wrench, a new oil filter, a new crush washer, and 4.5 quarts of 0W20 full synthetic engine oil. Always prioritize safety by working on a level surface. First, warm up your engine for about 10 minutes. This helps the old oil drain more easily. Next, you'll need to remove the plastic splash shield located underneath the engine. This shield is typically held in place by a few 10mm bolts and plastic rivets. Once the shield is off, position your oil drain pan directly beneath the oil pan, then carefully remove the 17mm drain plug, allowing all the old oil to completely drain out. While the oil is draining, locate and remove the old oil filter using an oil filter wrench. Be prepared for some residual oil to spill. Before installing your new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh engine oil to its rubber gasket. This ensures a proper seal. Once the old oil has fully drained, reinstall the drain plug with a new crush washer, tightening it to 22 pound-feet of torque. Then, hand tighten the new oil filter until the gasket makes contact, followed by about 1 full turn. Now it's time to add the new oil. Pour in approximately 4.5 quarts of 0W20 full synthetic engine oil through the filler cap. Replace the cap, then start your engine and let it run for about 1 minute to circulate the new oil. Turn off the engine, wait a few minutes, then check the oil level with the dipstick, ensuring it's between the 2 marks. Finally, reinstall the plastic splash shield and you're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.